Okay, yeah. The last unboxing of the day is this. It's a cute little purple unboxing. So let's see. It says here Chit Chats, and usually if it says that, it's Nordhive. I ripped it. Okay. Oh, it smells good. It smells like shampoo. Like, I don't know. It's like fruity, creamy. I don't know what it is. We'll see. But okay, 2 products. Let me open up. Okay, get them out first. I mean, another product. Damn, 4 products. Wow. This caught my eye, so I'm gonna open these first. These look like lip products, right? Wow, I'm excited. So these are, let's see, what are these? Lip product? I don't know. Okay, let me show you up close. Oh, it matches today with my theme, the pink girly theme. Okay, so oh, I love the packaging, the floral designs. All right. Okay, I can't really read what it says, but I love the packaging though. It's very pretty. It's made in Korea. Okay, so oh, sorry, somebody sent me a message. Okay, so let me just open the box first. Okay, so okay, these are the shades. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the shade Red Scarlet, and this is the shade Pink Bouquet. So since I'm wearing pink, let's start with the pink one first, right? Okay, I'm on theme today. Okay, so let's see. I'm guessing it's a lipstick or lip balm. I don't know. Okay, so oh, I love the packaging. Oh, you know what it reminds me of? Of my Dior lip balm. It can maybe be a dupe. I may be doing a dupe video. Yes, it looks exactly like this one. Okay, this I unboxed months ago. They sent me this for free. This was not a paid collab, but you see how the packaging is the same, like the style is the same, but it's not the same. Obviously it looks a little bit different, but you see it's pretty the same. It's so similar. What? It's pretty cool. And this is like a lip balm, lip glow product, lipstick. So oh no, this one's a full blown lipstick. It doesn't have a scent, so that's interesting. But I just love the shade. It's a very pink Barbie doll pink. These shades are very hard for me to pull off, but I'm still gonna try them out. Okay, so yeah, this is not the same shade as this one. It's similar though, but yeah, because this Dior one is way lighter. But you see how I already used it, it's dirty, but you see how it's not a lipstick, it's more like a lip balm, tinted lip balm. This one's a lipstick. This one is very light and is perfect for every day. I love it. This one smells like marshmallows. I recommend this one. It's pretty nice. I don't use it a lot because I don't want to run out of it, but I love it. Okay, so this one though, let's see. I'm gonna swatch it in my hand first. Oh, never mind. It can be a lip balm because you see it's not super pigmented. It feels very moisturizing like the Dior, and it's a slight pink. I thought it was gonna be like Barbie pink, but no, it is a perfect lip balm. It's moisturizing and shiny and like, I guess kind of shimmery, not really. Like if you move like this. Okay, you see, don't let this shade intimidate you like me. I was like, well, it looks hard to pull off, but no. This is amazing. Wow, I love the shade. Okay, yeah, this is good for every day. Okay, look, let me swatch this one next to it so you can see if it's a dupe. Let's see. Okay, so okay, no, the Dior is a little bit darker and it's not as shimmery, as shiny as the other one. So you see, and this one's lighter, but it looks darker than the other one. You see how interesting makeup is? Like, don't just go based off the packaging or the shade that's in the bottle. You actually have to try it out, because this one is way lighter than this one, but it looks darker, right? How interesting that is. Okay, so this is this one and this is this one. Okay, better, like, okay, so this one is for this shade and this one's for that shade. Okay, so first impressions, I love it. Okay, swatch this one. Hard to tell because I just put it, I think, down pelusa. Okay. Yeah, it's because that furries, I don't know how to say pelusa in English, but I feel them in my mouth. Wait. You see how natural pink, light pink this is? It doesn't look super bright or dark. It doesn't look like the shirt. I thought it was gonna look like the shirt, but no, look, it's a pretty perfect baby pink. It really is. Look, it's a pretty Barbie pink. I think you can pull it off. This is very, very pretty. Like, wow, look. Like, I love the shade. It's very, very pretty. Check this one out. I like it. Okay, now I'm gonna try the red one now. Let me swatch it and see. Okay, so exciting, right? So I love red lipstick. That's my favorite. Okay, so okay, it's the same packaging. Obviously, it's just red. Oh, the lipstick. It fell on the floor. No, it fell on the floor. No. Why? I need to save this lipstick. Oh my gosh, no, sorry. This has a little bit of dirt and hairs and fluffy. Like, it literally fell on the ground under my desk. Obviously, it's gonna be dirty. So, but it broke literally the whole lipstick tube. I don't know why. Maybe because it's very hot. It melted. I just opened it and it literally fell apart. So I don't think it's the brand's fault. It's probably just happened like that. Like, I don't know. I'm not gonna blame anybody. It's, oh well, it happened. But like, I just, okay, I'm trying to clean it off right now. Oops, it fell again. I'm gonna add alcohol before I put it in my mouth. Let me clean it more. Okay, clean it off. But you see, it's a super bright red, but it's probably gonna be like this one that is not really gonna be, excuse me, super bright red. But it's hard. I don't want it to break. It's okay. Oh, it's a pretty bright red. It's not super intense, but let's see. Let me swatch it on my lids. It's a very pretty red. It's light. It kind of, it looks like hot pink with a hint of red. It's not super red like the bottle, but you see, but it's still very, very pretty. I like the shade. It's just, I wish it was this, well, maybe not so bright, but yes, I wish it was a little bit darker. But it's very pretty. It's a very wearable shade. I feel hairs. It feels very nice. It doesn't taste like anything. It doesn't have a scent. It doesn't feel thick. It feels very moisturizing, like a traditional lip balm. It's just tinted. It doesn't feel like lipstick. So to me, it's a lip balm. It's just, the shape is a shape of a lipstick, but it's not lipstick. It feels more like coconutty oil, like a tinted lip balm, basically. The formula, yeah. It feels very moisturizing on the lips, very lightweight, very great. The formula, the color is very pretty, wearable. Oops. So I recommend this. Okay, first impressions, I love this Korean brand. Let's see the name. It's Romantic Scandal for Wrinkles. This is really nice. Look, ooh, I love it. I just love it. Okay, so I know these are so pretty. Look, for every day. These like are wow. I can't wait to use these. Okay, so I need to hurry up. Okay, so these are the rest of the products they sent me. Okay, I'm assuming this is skincare, so this is the PhD Region Formula Signal 10J5 Inducing Essence Botanic Sense Resilient. Wow, this is a long name. I don't know this brand either. I'm assuming it's a Korean brand. Yes, it is. K-Beauty Skincare. So let's see. This is how to use after cleansing. Apply to face and neck morning and or evening. So let's see what it is. I don't know. It's just regular essence, I'm assuming. I don't know what it is. Okay. Ooh, I love the bottle. It looks pretty professional, like fancy, luxurious. I love the blue. It looks like a traditional serum bottle. Okay, this helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and improve skin elasticity while boosting skin clarity. So this is what this is for. Okay, so now let's see how it smells and how it looks. Okay, so it looks brown. What? Ooh, it smells like old lady perfumes, lotions, creams. Yeah, kind of like your grandma will wear it. Yeah, like this. It doesn't smell horrible. Maybe a little strong, but okay. Let me test out a little bit here. Okay, so it's pretty liquidy or cooling, not so thick, just a little bit. So it looks and feels like a serum. Wow, it's pretty strong. My goodness, a little strong. Okay, not horrible, just like whoa, like I don't know, I can't describe it. I haven't smelled something like this, but it's vegan and I'm trying to see if I like it. Okay, it moisturized my fingers. It's not thick. It's a mixture of lightweight and thick. Like it's a good in between. It's not a bad formula. It feels nice. The scent is what I'm not really loving, but I can get used to it. It's not horrible. My main concern is it gonna make my skin react bad? So I don't know, we'll see. It's interesting, pretty interesting. I've never heard of this brand before, but this is Café Dame. I'm reading it in Spanish. Café Dame, maybe that's how you pronounce it. Hydra Radiance Moisture Cream with coffee bean extract. Wow, coffee bean. This is gonna smell like coffee maybe, so this is pretty interesting. So this is a moisturizer. It has a lot of ingredients. Let me show you in case y'all are interested. Oh yeah, the ingredients for this one, it's mainly in Korean. Oh no, I found it in English in case you want to know what it has, you know. Okay, so let's see. I hope it smells like coffee. I love how coffee smells. I just can't drink it. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, it smells like lemon. What? It doesn't smell like coffee, but it has coffee bean. Doesn't make sense. And I thought it was gonna look kind of brownish, but it looks white. It's just like a traditional moisturizer. So, okay, you see, it looks very moisturizing, like a mixture of oil, moisturizer, serum, cream, like super dewy, like lightweight. Like, okay, it doesn't smell like coffee. Like, why does it smell like lemon? I don't get it. It's confusing. Like, and it feels nice on the skin. First impressions, I like it. Ooh, it's very cool. Okay, I think I like it. So this one doesn't leave a greasy residue feeling. This is what it claims it does, and it feels maybe a little sticky residue feeling, a little sticky, not a lot. So this has leaf water and alot. I never heard of these ingredients before, but this basically gives you skin health and vitality, and it hydrates and brightens the skin. So this is basically what it's for. So you just put it moderate amount to cleanse face. So yeah, this is basically a regular hydrating moisturizer. So this is pretty much it for this unboxing try on. My favorite things were obviously the lip products, the lippies, these. But thank you so much Nordhive for sending me this package. It's amazing to try out different Korean skincare brands, beauty products. Yay. Okay, I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you so much, and obviously I'm gonna put the price if I find it, the information below. So yeah, check them out, and yeah. Okay, bye, thanks for watching.